Hi there. So I'm Dr. Lewis Ross, and this video is to tell you about a new course that we're running in the philosophy department, Anarchy, Authority and Evidence. So this course runs in Michaelmas term, so starting in October, and it's a half-unit course, so it ends at Christmas time. So broadly, we're going to be looking at philosophical questions raised by the law, and this is the department's first ever course in legal philosophy, and I'm very excited to be running it. So many people take the existence of states and the right of the government to use force to coerce us into doing various things for granted. So to take some topical examples, the state coerces us to pay taxes that are used to wage wars in foreign countries and to deport asylum seekers. So we're going to start off by asking some really big picture questions about our relationship to and the justification of the law. So these are questions such as, do we have a moral duty to obey the law, independent of its content? Can there be social order without law and central government? What should we think about civil disobedience and people who break the law for moral purposes? And is it defensible to punish people, for example, by locking them in prisons or by ending their life? And then in the second half of the course, we're going to be thinking about the philosophical basis for specific aspects of the criminal justice system as we find it in many Western nations. So, for example, why should we trust professional judges? How much evidence should we need before we decide someone's guilty of a crime and liable to be punished? And what role should new technologies like algorithms play in the justice system, for example, in predicting reoffending rates or in making decisions about sentencing? So the assessment for this course is just one single essay, one with a longer word count than you'll find in some other courses in the department. So the idea is that with our help, you'll have the time to produce a rigorous and substantial piece of work, and one that could serve as the springboard maybe for a dissertation or future research. The class is a normal sort of lecture seminar structure, but one teaching week will be given up to a group debate where you'll get the chance to defend a given position with and against some of your colleagues. And there'll also be the chance to get some feedback on formative work along the way. So hopefully I will see some of you in October, and please feel free to email me, Lewis Ross, with any questions you might have about the course. Thanks.